Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you top 7 powerful advanced Excel tips and tricks. Let's move on and listen. Number 1. Advanced Transpose. You probably already know how transpose works. Firstly, select and copy the transpose area. When you paste, choose the transpose in paste option. Problem is here, when you change anything of here, it's not impact of transpose data. So there is a simple solution for this problem. Then select the area you want to transpose the data. Then write a function equal transpose. Select the area, press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now if we make a change, it's really on below table. Number 2. Slices. Slices is the best way to select the data. Firstly, you want to convert this data as a table format. Press Ctrl T. Then make sure to put the tick My Data has headers. Go to the Insert, Slices. You can select any option here. These are the slices. You can filter any options as you wish. Number 3. People chart. People chart is an Office 365 add-in. It gives the interacting visualization of your data. To do that, go to the Insert tab, then click on the People chart icon. Now you can see this beautiful visual. Now let's enter the data. So click this data icon. Then select the data and click on the Create button. Now item and item count added to this chart. Now there is a lot of options available in here. You can change type of the chart, theme and shape of the chart, like anything. And also you can copy and paste this to external source. Number 4. Advanced Analysis Tool. Advanced Analysis Tool is a hidden option. It's not listed as default, should add manually. To do that, go to the File, Options, then go to the Add-ins, then select the option Excel Add-in, click on Go. In this dialog box, check the Analysis Tool pack, then OK. Now you can see Data Analysis icon available under the Data tab. Under this you can see lot of analysis tools, ANOVA test, histogram, moving average, etc. I am not going to talk about this deeply. In another video series I will explain analysis tool deeply. Number 5, convert function. Using convert function, you can easily convert any parameter to another one. It can convert weight, height, volume, etc. And you can convert liter to gallon, meter to kilometer, centimeter, anything. Type function here equal convert. Now I will select the number, and now I want to convert this number liter to gallon. Then I will find the liter in this list. Comma, then I will find the gallon of this list. Now 100 liter converted to 26.4 gallons. Number 6, Networkdays Function. This function shows the number of working days between two periods. Type here equal Networkdays, then enter the start day, comma, then enter the end date. Now you can see 23 working days between two start date and end date. And also you can add any holidays among this period. So enter the comma in same function, then add the holiday. This is the net working days count. Number 7, hide a cell. In this example you can see 12 times 4, 48. Firstly, right click the number you want to hide. Then click on the format cells, custom. Then type here 3 semicolons. And OK. Now you can see selected cell has hidden, but still have a number. When you change other numbers, calculations work in here. This video part is over. See you next video.